Today we're going to be doing some wrinkle relaxing injections, and most people commonly refer to this procedure as Botox. There's actually 4 different neuromodulators on the market that we use in practice. There's Botox, Dysport, Xeomin, and Jeuveau. And all of them work in essentially the same fashion. What they do is they block the release of a neurotransmitter at the neuromuscular junction, and they just relax and soften that dynamic movement. So when you present for your neurotoxin injection, there's essentially no preparation. You just need to wash your face and then we'll clean it here in the office. So this is best for the lines that are formed by crunching of the muscles between the eyes, the 11 lines, the horizontal lines on the forehead, and even the lines around the eyes, which are called the crow's feet. And so for our patient today, we're going to be treating between the eyes, across the forehead, and a little bit around the eyes. How the procedure is performed is we do a series of injections and we assess the patient. We look at how strong and bulky those muscles are, how much movement they have in those areas, and we can tailor the treatment and individualize it to each patient. So commonly we'll do a series of about 5 injections between the eyes, a few scattered across the forehead, and 3 or 4 injections on each side around the eyes. There's essentially no downtime with this procedure, but it does take a few days for the neuromodulator to kick in. So you'll start to see that crunching of those muscles is going to gradually soften starting at around day 2 or 3 and improve over the course of the next 2 weeks. And by then you should be seeing the most improvement from the treatment. So after your treatment, you may have some little redness, some little dots right at the injection points. They may be a little swollen immediately afterwards, and that subsides within an hour. You can go about the rest of your day. We just tell patients usually to take it easy with exercise for about the next 4 hours after treatment. We don't want the product to diffuse from where we injected it. So don't go do yoga, don't go do some heavy lifting and some yard work and exercise. Try to take it easy for about 4 hours, and by then it should have bound to where it needs to be. And again, remember, it's not going to be an immediate improvement in the lines. It's going to take at least a few days before they start to soften and up to 2 weeks to get that maximal result.